Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Shu. Today I thought I would film something different. Well, it's just me studying on a Sunday. I make green tea first thing in the morning, and when I sit down I open the Kindle app on my iPad and start taking some notes on Roman research, which is the best note-taking app in my opinion. I've recently read The 12-Week Year by Brian Moran again because it's a great book and it's worth reading again and again. I go through each highlight and take note of the information I don't want to forget or think I'll use later in writing or thinking. But I never just copy and paste, because copy and pasting doesn't require you to think and really understand what you're reading. If you want to understand ideas and build your mental models, you have to try to explain it by writing it down in your own words. This is hard and takes some time, but it's definitely the best learning method I know. As I go through the highlights, I realize that what he says is quite similar to the ideas of Stoicism. For example, he says, the life you are currently living is a result of the choices you've made. You can blame the circumstances, your upbringing, your family, the schools you attended, your boss, or the politicians. The fact is, you don't control any of that. What you control is how you respond. Being accountable is not easy, and at times it's very unpleasant. But if you're serious about your goals, you must take ownership of your situation. It might sound a little bit harsh, but I really like this idea of accountability, so I decided to make it into a permanent note. As always, I make some connections first by thinking about keywords and relevant notes. I think this idea is closely linked to Stoicism, discipline, and the idea of ownership by Jocko Willink. And I think some of the relevant notes are victim mentality and some of the key ideas of Stoicism, like Stoic dichotomy of control and external circumstances. Then I write down what accountability is about in my own words. Again, this takes some time, but it really helps me understand this concept by trying to explain it to myself. After doing this, I got tired and decided to take a break. I watched my girlfriend practicing her ukulele for a while. Then I got lazy and played Pokemon on my Nintendo Switch. I hope you found this video somewhat useful or interesting. If you did, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!